In this video, I'm gonna show you how to request a refund or how to refund your games in Ubisoft Connect. As you can see here, this is the article that was created by Ubisoft and how you can refund your games. The first thing that we have to do is to sign in first inside the ubisoft.com, and then after signing in, you have to click this display icon on the top right corner of the screen, and then click the Ubisoft store. The next step that we have to do is to hover again into our profile picture and then select my orders. So let's do that. Click the profile icon and then click the My Orders. The My Orders will show every single purchase history that you have done or created inside your account. As you can see here, I have never purchased any game in Ubisoft Connect. So we just need to follow through the instructions that was given to us. So after accessing the My Store or the My Orders, you have to locate the order that you want to refund and select View Order Details. Now click the Request a Refund. Use the drop-down menu to let us know why you wish to refund the product. And once you have done this, the Continue button will activate. Just simply click the Continue button. And next is how would you like to be refunded? Select your preferred payment method and confirm your request. And after you complete your request, you will receive a confirmation message that your refund request will be processed. You just need to wait for an email for the confirmation of your refund request of your game. And that's it. That's how you can refund games in Ubisoft Connect, and thank you for listening.